Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, 23rd of January 2018. So yesterday we see the pound moving back to the upside, heading back to last week's high. We just have a look at where we are from this high down to this low. I'll just do that again. Just caught one of the other markups there. And to here, and you can see the market trading bang on the 76% retracement there. In order to move higher, the market's going to have to move through this, but watch out for the 200 bar moving average here, as well as prices approach this area. In the intraday yesterday, nice down here we've got the DP, we've got the 200 bar moving average. We had some selling pressure at the 200 bar moving average, and then prices broke through and continued to move higher, coming back and sitting on the 50 bar moving average before breaking back above the psychological level of 129, and then continuing up to the R2 level, where 95% of the time the market will stop and trade sideways, which we can clearly see it did yesterday. Shakeout to the downside here. You've got the selling, and you've got buying pressure. The range of the green bar is less in range, but the volume is greater. And then we see some really good testing here, and then short covering. The market then has a bit of a fight here. You can see this with the two volume bars, and then we start to move higher back above the DP level there. And news today, what have we got? Nothing today, so nothing to see there. In the Dow yesterday, had a bit of a fight and a struggle here as well. We started off, let's just have a look at the pre-market session so that we can get an idea of what happened, just to remind myself. So we were above the 200 bar moving average. We came back through. We were already at the support one here, where the market was finding support, and then we just saw this battle back and forth of the 200 bar moving average. And even in the main session, you can see here the market breaking through, or attempting to break through I should say. It didn't actually close above, and you can see this with all of these high volume bars here. So there's a battle going on, which again you can see with the volume, and it's always high initially, of course, as traders take the positions. The market moved lower, traded down to the support 2 area, and then did find support as the market reversed, came back, and then we saw the market break through the 200 bar moving average. So two signals here that didn't work out, but when you combine the 200 bar moving average, you can see what's going on here. And as soon as we reverse back through this, the market then moved lower and continued to do so throughout the trading session. So we've got a situation where prices then found support and then moved lower, bit of a profit taking bounce there, and then all the way through to the end of the session. You'll see how the 20 bar moving average became a resistance to this market. And here we've got a situation where we broke through the S3, and prices did stop and trade sideways, but then further selling came into the market. But before the close, we see the plunge protection team come in and bring the market back up. And overnight, we're currently sitting above both the DP and the 200 bar moving average at the moment. And in order to move higher, we will need to see some buying coming in here. However, when we look at the daily chart, we can see that this market is struggling. You think it would be racing back to the all-time highs, as they want this market back up. So it's not as easy as it used to be, especially with the quantitative tightening in Europe. And there you can see that the main resistance in this market is going to be the 200 bar moving average, along with, of course, if I just draw this in for you, we've got a high from Friday, low of yesterday. We need to take out the 24,632 level there as well. So I'll just save this. And then finally in Bitcoin, bit of testing yesterday. That's all there is in this market. The market trading down to the 76% retracement and failing to take this out, finding support at this level, which you can see in the 15-minute chart. But as I've said before, nothing to really see here. Move along. Other markets are offering a better trading opportunity at the moment. And with that, we'll conclude today's look at the markets. The pound obviously subject to Brexit news at the moment, and the Dow really needs something to push it to the upside. There's no economic news today, so I would expect a fairly quiet range for this market. And with that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.